starting this video. Today we're gonna do Guess That Squishy challenge, and I need to get one, so I'm just gonna close my eyes. So let's just get started. This is all my squishies. I'm just gonna put it, and then I'm gonna open it. Put it right from here. I'm gonna guess what squishy it is. Is it the panda squishy? Yes, it is. And this is the panda squishy. Let's slide. Let's just mix it right here. So now I'm just gonna put it. Is this a seal? No, it's the orange, right? Orange. It's orange. Okay. Yeah, I'm right. Let's slide and squish. And it looks so. Okay, we're gonna pick another one. Is this my strawberry? Yeah? Yeah, it is strawberry. Okay. This video is only gonna take 5 minutes. This one. Is this squishy that fell out? Is this my Suki Ala? I don't know. But this is my tooth squishy. I'm right. And I was squishing the back. Moa! Kurz scrollen nu, jag la en YouTube-video. Tack. Und sorry, I'm not. My chipmunk squishy. Super slow. Okay, we're gonna mix it all and see. Which squishy is it? This is my tooth squishy again. Oh my god. Okay. This. Okay. What? Is this apple squishy? Yeah, it is. I'm right. It's the biscuit, I think. Let's open. It is a cat squishy. Yeah. I'm actually sick, if you knew that. So yeah. I'm gonna put the butter squishy. Okay, we're just gonna set it maybe for like 30 minutes. Let's see. This squishy. I think it's the mini pineapple. Is the camera here? Yeah, the camera is here. Yeah, it is. Oh, for the next thing I'm gonna pick is this squishy. I can just feel it. Is it so squishy? Yeah. Okay, bye.